Welcome all. Today, we are going to see how to make a chess king pace. Let's start our tutorial.
Add a plane that is our base. And add a cylinder. Scale it a little bit. Place it over the plane. Select the knife tool. Join the vertices of both ends. Select the half, and delete it then. Mirror modifier to create a loop vertex by pressing Ctrl R in Enable clipping in mirror. Modifier. Adjust merge distance. Select the loop vertices, scale them down by pressing and Quat S and Shift key Z, which will control the scaling along the Z-axis. Create a loop vertex by pressing Ctrl R. Scale them down. Give them this shape. Create a loop vertex by pressing Ctrl R. Scale them down. Select top face and scale them down. Move it to the correct place by pressing G and which AXIZ you want it to move. Add a loop over here. Select this face, extruding it by pressing E. Select the center face, extrude it up, and scale a little bit. Make plus sign on top. That's what a king piece looks like. Okay. Oh, this is oversized. Let me resize it. Let's flatten some faces. Select the faces you want to flatten. Then right-click. In the drop-down menu you will see the loop tool option.
If not means,
Get the loop tool option. Go to edit mode, then preference enable loop tool. Let down menu you will see the loop tool option. In there select flatten, so the selected face becomes flattened. Here we go, we have a cross sign. Wow, this looks great. I think it's neat some correction. Let me do that. Go to object mode, make it smooth, and turn on auto smooth. Here we go. We finished the low poly model of the chess king piece. Let's add some lighting and some adjustment. Wow. Very nice. Here is the final touch. Let us add some volume scattering. Here we go. Wow, this is our final